Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to run diagnostics on this laptop. So if you don't want to download any applications and just want to run diagnostics on this PC, you have to open the start menu, then go to power options and select shutdown. And wait until your device is turned off, and after it happens, you'll have to turn it back on by pressing the power button once and then repeatedly press F2 key until the diagnostics menu appear on your screen. And when you see the diagnostics menu, you can stop pressing F2 button. Now, using down and up arrow keys to navigate and enter to select, you can select different parts of your PC that you want to run diagnostics on. For example, the first section is processor. So to check the processor, you have to press enter and select either processor test or processor stress test. Press enter again, then wait until the test is done. And after the test is done, you will either get a passed result or not passed, which means that your device's hardware element is malfunctioning. Well, as you can see, for me the result is passed, which means that the processor is okay. And now pressing enter, I can return back to main menu. Now, some of these tests will require some interactivity from you. So for example, if you run a keyboard test, you'll have to manually test the keys and check which ones work and which ones don't, and therefore you'll get the result for this test. Now, to exit this menu, just select the exit option, then press enter, then select yes and press enter again, then press enter to return back to Windows. And after this PC boots into Windows, I'm gonna show you the second method of how you can perform diagnostics on your PC. Now, sign into your Windows account, and then you're gonna have to download and install an official HP hardware called HP PC Diagnostics tool. So open your web browser, then you can open the search engine and search for HP PC Hardware Diagnostics. Find the official support.hp.com website that says HP PC Hardware Diagnostics. Open this website, then expand the Diagnose PC Hardware Issues in Windows tab, and here you're gonna find the HP PC Hardware Diagnostic Windows application. To download it, hit the download button, then wait until this installation file downloads on your PC, and once it does, you have to click on it to start running the installation file. Click yes, then click next, then read and accept the license agreement to continue. Click next again, then you can choose the folder into which you want to install this application. To do that, click change and then select the folder manually in your file explorer, then click OK. Otherwise it will find the folder automatically. Then click next, and wait until the program is downloaded and installed. Okay, and it seems to me that it's installed. We just weren't notified, and as you can see, the program starts running right away. Give all the permissions to this program, all that you want to, and then to run diagnostics, you can either select the system test tab right here and run either fast system test by expanding this menu and clicking Start Fast Test, which will test your entire system. You can also select extensive system test and run an extensive system test, which will also run tests on each of your hardware elements, but it will last a bit longer. You can go to component tests and select the element of your hardware that you want to test, just like we did in the previous menu, except for you can use, of course, touchpad or mouse in this case, which is more convenient. So just select, for example, processor, then CPU stress test, and select run selected tests to run the CPU stress test. Okay, so I'm gonna run the fast system test by expanding this menu, selecting start fast test, and just wait until the test is done, and then we'll see the results. Okay, so the last test was completed, which was battery check. Now let's press next. And let's see, as you can see, almost all hardware elements passed the test except for the battery. We can open the additional resources, and we get transferred to the official HP support website that offers a support for support for the laptop. So I'm gonna consider it, and generally speaking, as you can see, it's pretty easy to see which elements of your hardware passed the test results, and in case if some elements didn't pass, you can go to additional resources and read on more information about what you can do next. You can additionally check the description of the test that was performed on each element of your hardware, and that's basically how it works in this application. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.